Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Get ready to have your minds absolutely blown, because today we're diving into a concept so massive, so mind-bending, it makes our entire universe feel like just a tiny speck. We're talking about the multiverse. For centuries, pretty much everyone on Earth, from ancient philosophers to modern scientists, believed our universe was the one and only. It's vast, it's incredible, it holds all our stars, galaxies, and everything we've ever known. It just made sense, right? But what if I told you that this magnificent cosmic home of ours might just be one tiny bubble in an endless, sparkling ocean of universes? That's right, modern physics is seriously suggesting a far more incredible, and honestly, kind of wild, idea: the multiverse. Imagine this: our universe, with its billions upon billions of stars, its sprawling galaxies, and all the planets we're just beginning to explore, might not be unique. It could be just one tiny, vibrant bubble in an unimaginable cosmic sea, and surrounding us, perhaps infinitesimally close yet utterly unreachable, there could be countless other universes, each one potentially operating under its own unique set of physical laws. Think about that for a second. Our gravity might be different there. The speed of light could be slower or faster. Elements might behave in entirely different ways. Some could be wildly different, others eerily similar. This isn't just science fiction anymore, though it makes for some incredible stories. It's a serious topic of discussion among theoretical physicists. And there are several fascinating theories proposing how this multiverse could actually exist. Let's explore some of them, because they each offer a slightly different, equally awe-inspiring picture of reality. One of the most popular ideas comes from inflationary cosmology. Remember the Big Bang? The moment our universe supposedly burst into existence. Well, some scientists argue that during this initial rapid expansion phase, it wasn't just *1 universe that was born, but many. Picture it like this: the Big Bang wasn't a single event creating a single universe, but rather a universal process of bubble nucleation. Think of it like boiling water, where many bubbles form, each one a separate universe budding off from an inflating surface. In this eternal inflation model, new universes are constantly being born, expanding and separating from each other forever and ever. Our universe would just be one of those bubbles, maybe even bumping up against others in the grand cosmic foam. It's a universe-generating machine that never stops. Then there's the concept of the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics. This one is truly mind-bending and hits a bit closer to home, quite literally. Quantum mechanics, the science of the very, very small, tells us that particles can exist in multiple states at once until we observe them. It's like a coin spinning in the air. It's both heads and tails until it lands. The many worlds theory suggests that every time a quantum measurement is made, or every time a choice is presented, the universe splits into parallel timelanes, creating new universes to accommodate every possible outcome. So, according to this theory, in one universe, you chose coffee this morning. In another, an identical version of you chose tea. In one universe, you took that job. In another, you didn't. Imagine the implications. Every single decision, every flip of a coin, every quantum event, could be birthing new realities. In one universe, the Roman Empire never fell, and Latin is still the global language. In another, dinosaurs never went extinct, and intelligent reptilian beings rule the planet. And in a truly wild scenario, maybe in one universe, Earth itself, or even humanity, may not exist at all. It suggests an infinite number of yous, living out an infinite number of different lives, each experiencing a slightly, or vastly, different reality. It makes you wonder, doesn't it, what another you is doing right this second? Another fascinating idea is the brain multiverse. This theory comes from string theory, which posits that the fundamental particles of our universe are not points, but tiny, vibrating strings. In some versions of string theory, our entire 3D universe might be confined to a brain, a higher dimensional membrane floating within a larger higher dimensional space called the bulk. Imagine our universe as a sheet of paper floating in a room. There could be other sheets of paper, other brains, floating nearby, each containing its own universe. These brains could occasionally collide, and such collisions might even be the Big Bang events that create new universes. It's like cosmic bumper cars on an epic scale. And what about the mathematical multiverse? This is perhaps the most abstract of all. It suggests that every possible mathematical structure corresponds to its own universe. If a mathematical structure can exist, then it does exist as a universe. This would mean not just different physical laws, but entirely different kinds of realities, governed by completely alien mathematical principles that we might not even be able to comprehend. It pushes the boundaries of imagination to their absolute limit. Now, you might be thinking, this all sounds amazing, but how do we prove any of it? And that, my friends, is the million-dollar question. The idea of the multiverse is almost impossible to prove directly with our current technology and understanding. By their very nature, these other universes are generally thought to be beyond our direct observation. Sealed off from our own, we can't just hop into a spaceship and visit a parallel Earth. However, scientists are looking for indirect evidence. For example, some cosmologists look for anomalies in the cosmic microwave background radiation, the echo of the Big Bang that might suggest our universe once bumped into another. Others explore the implications of these theories for fundamental physics, searching for consistency or predictions that could be tested. But for now, much of it remains in the realm of theoretical physics, captivating the minds of both the most brilliant scientists and the most imaginative dreamers. But here's why this concept, despite its elusive nature, is so incredibly compelling. If the multiverse is real, it means the limits of possibility are truly infinite. It suggests that everything that can happen, does happen, somewhere. Every decision, every path not taken, every hypothetical scenario, they all play out in their own unique realities. It expands our understanding of existence beyond anything we've ever conceived. It turns our universe from the entirety of reality into just one chapter in an endless, cosmic novel. It reminds us that our understanding of reality is constantly evolving, constantly expanding. What seems impossible today might be commonplace tomorrow. The universe, or rather, the multiverse, is far more mysterious and magnificent than we can often grasp. So, as we wrap up this mind-bending journey, just take a moment to ponder the sheer vastness of it all. Perhaps, somewhere out there, another version of you is watching this very video. Or maybe they're on an adventure you could only dream of. The possibilities, my friends, are truly endless. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible exploration of the multiverse. If you found this as fascinating as I did, please hit that like button, subscribe for more cosmic adventures, and let me know in the comments below which multiverse theory blows your mind the most. Your support means the world, or should I say, the universe, to me. See you next time.